Gold and silver have started the week on a slightly flat note. We have not seen either the bulls or bears active in the beginning of the week now. So, what to expect today and how we can profit despite the sluggish movement, or can we expect a move here, whether on the upside or on downside? Just we need to profit, and how to do it, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. We will try to find out the levels where to enter, where to exit, and where to take profit. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. The subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation for me to deliver twice a day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do like, share, and comment. And yes, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first gold followed with silver. Watch till. See, if you look at the movement in gold on the hourly charts, you will find after finding the resistance here at 25.30, we have seen it retracing, and if you look connect the dots here, you can see also it is delivering higher lows. Next thing is after the drop, it is retracing. This is under retracement, not a reversal. See the movement here is sharp enough. Here it is gradual. This suggests that this is retracing, trying to cool down or trying to bring back the indicators which are oversold to comfortable levels before it take a direction. Also, if you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over here. This is certainly a bearish sign, and this also makes this zone as first achievable because it is trading with divergence from the 20-50 period moving average. Prices can move towards this zone, and this zone is going to remain critical. 2504, 2505, and then 2510, 2512. So these two levels are going to remain critical for the day. Any move beyond this should be treated as a reversal sign here. Yes, right now I can see it is trading with modest bullish bias. It may try to stay in the zone before taking a direction. If you look at the stochastic, this is right. It is dropped from the overbought zone. Look at the MACD. A sharper dip is seen. It is willing to converge. A crossover here can lead to slight retracement, and this is happening gradually. You can also see that it is almost after hitting the highs, it has erased all the gains. It has come towards the bottom, so a little retracement cannot be denied. Though it is not that it cannot drop further, but yes, right now it is trying to converge, crossover for a buy. RSI rising, coming to 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, one must notice. See, first of all, there is a resistance here. You can see a slight swing was seen in the preceding candle. Now it is trying to look upwards, but I will not treat this as bullish. Only buying entry I will recommend is at 2502, but also going to fetch you only few pips. 2504, 2506, first resistance 2510, 2512. The second one very good, and then 2516, and then 2520. Very nearby resistances for gold to break pass by in order to completely reverse or turn bullish. As far as my expectation is concerned, I do not expect it to do so. Possibly it might try to trade in a range or try to break later if it is trying to retrace. Stochastic rising, the MACD is still bearish. Diminishing candle sizes suggest that it could try to converge a bit before taking a direction. Means a little rise or retracement is possible. RSI is also looking upwards. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, see first of all diminishing bullishness and a reversal sign has appeared. Now it is going to be interesting to watch out how the current candle closes or where the current candle closes. Any close below 24.94.95 will be a sign that possibly coming few candles are going to be further bearish here. And yes, a little divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge as well. So I will say that there are greater resistances. Possibility for it to retrace towards this zone exists, but this is going to be definitely difficult for gold to break pass by on the upside. So as long as today it stays below 2510, 2512, we should not be treating gold as bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD here on the 3 hour charts is still bearish, though you can see the candle sizes have flattened, which suggests that the bearishness getting diminished. It could try to converge. RSI likewise on the 4 hour charts, preceding candle, a swing candle, higher highs, lower lows, current candle trying to take a move here, possibly beyond 2502. We can see a little bullishness here, but again, as I said, greater resistance is 2504, 2506, very nearby, but yes, a good resistance zone. Then 2510, very good resistance. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is trading bearish, but it has still not much of a scope for it to trade bearish. It can continue doing so for a few candles from here. RSI almost staying flat, not indicative of anything. Coming to daily, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. We trade diverse instruments from across the globe, be it the indices or commodities. Thus, do not miss this opportunity, as we also get multiple opportunity in a day to profit throughout Asia, Europe, and US session. So reach out to me for your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Also, you can join the recommended broker, which also offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, safer environment for you to trade from across the globe. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out, join the recommended broker. Link is there in the channel and video description. Coming to the daily chart. Look at daily chart. See, interesting point to note here is gold has taken the support from the 20 period moving average. With that as support, see, none of the candles so far has closed below 20 period moving average. So today is going to be an important day where it is going to decide the direction it is willing to take. If it breaks below 24.94 first resistance, you have to sell at 24.94. Expect 24.9088 as first, 24.84 as second, and then 24.80 as the third. If it breaks below 24.80 and 84, you can say the bears are back in action and we are looking forward to a greater move on the downside from the current levels. Right now I can see a little step is formed and it is trying to find a direction. It is still very much indecisive, and even if it tries to find a direction, this should be treated as a retracement. How far it could retrace? It could come down to this zone, which is a greater resistance, or in fact a slightly higher levels. But again, yes, hitting the zone, it could reverse and show you a greater move or reverse again. Stochastic looking downwards. See, MACD here is trading with divergence, looking downwards, staying bearish, and it appears the near-term top is formed and possibly looking downwards here is suggestive of more bearishness. RSI has dropped. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2502 levels, expected to move towards 250406 first resistance zone, 251012 second, 2516 third, 2520 22 the fourth, 26 the fifth, and 2530 the fourth, sixth. Remember, when you see such nearby resistances, you know that there are greater hurdles for gold to break past by, and it suggests that there is a on the upside there are greater resistances. Thus, it is going to be difficult for it to break past by, and thus a reversal cannot be denied. A reversal or the stance is very much bearish as far as the resistances are concerned. But once it breaks beyond for the day 2510 is going to be one important. It will bring slight positivity in the move here, where you can see a further rise, and beyond 25 to and 12 is where slight bullishness may prevail towards 2516 or 2520, but only bullishness, only reversal, only breakout confirmation today is about 2530 levels. In fact, not for today, but for the month of September, 2530-32 is where you should be focusing on. Till the time, do not treat this as bullish. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 2490, where you can expect 2488.90 first resistance or first target zone. Next is 2484.85, then 2479, and then 2471.72. If these four levels are taken, stay bearish, stay short. We are looking forward to 2460, 2448, and in fact lower levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. See, what silver did last week is that it has shown a sharp drop from the highs here on the uh, last trading session. We are hitting the highs at 29, 29, 20. We have seen it dropping towards 27.80, 27.70 zone, and since then, see, the drop is sharp, the retracement is gradual. This suggests that it is willing to retrace what it is trying to do. Prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period. It could come back towards this zone, 28, 20, 28, 40 possibilities there, and this zone is going to be the prime resistance for the day. As long as silver stays today below 28.40, we should not be treating this for a reversal. Stochastic back to overbought. Look at the MACD. After staying bearish, it is willing to converge and crossover for a buying entry. RSI rising, good sign for the bulls. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, crossover here in the moving average. Greater resistance is price is trading with divergence from the moving average. Signs of retracement suggest that it could try to move towards the 20-50 period moving average. Also, right now, if you look at it, is trading in a retracement channel. Greater resistances are available on the upside. It could try to stay in the zone for a while before taking a direction. Stochastic rising. MACD is still bearish, trying to converge crossover for the buys. RSI is rising here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, see, observe this three candles. Also, this candle could be a reversal confirmation as well. But for this to be a reversal sign, prices need to trade lower, and yes, below 2790 and 2780 is where you can say that bears will be active here. Also, right now I can say that it is trading in this modest retracement channel, and see, the drop is so sharp, and the retracement is bit gradual. That is how it forms. If you look at the formation here, see the formation here in silver is simple. I have shared this in my updates. Drop retracement, lower highs, lower lows, and it is trying to stay in a bearish channel. Stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD bearish trying to converge, RSI rising. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4 hour chart. See the zone here is important. Look at this. Here also it has formed a base. It has breached this zone at this time, but trying to recover a bit. Also, this is just the second or third greener candle after a slight reversal sign. So little possibility of a retracement exists, but I will still not treat this as a reversal confirmation as long as 2840 levels are not taken. In fact, beyond 2840, there are greater resistances till 2860 today. Do not treat silver as bullish as long as it stays below this zone. And yes, also one must notice every drop is followed with a retracement. This is just retracement, and it is trying to stay bearish here. Stochastic oversold, MACD is still divergent and bearish, and RSI almost staying flat. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, see moving average is crossing over here, certainly is a bearish sign. Price is trading with divergence, certainly is a bearish sign. Also today, if you look at last 4 to 5 candles, every time it has moved towards 2780 zone, we have seen it getting a support and trying to recover. And if you also look at the formation here, see long term formation, if you see this, you will find the drop here retracement, drop here retracement, lower highs and lower lows here. This is a greater channel. The lows here are below $26 levels. So yes, further scope, or you can say more scope, is available on the downside. Stochastic looking down, MACD trading bearish, and RSI comfortable. Considering this, only buying entry today is about 2880, where you can 2820, where you can expect 2840, 2860 zone as the first target zone, which is achievable. And this is definitely going to be a greater resistance. If you see the prices there, possibility of a reversal will be very high from this zone. Beyond 2860, 2875, and $29 levels, till 29, do not treat silver as bullish. It is only to be treated bullish if it breaks beyond $29 levels. And on the downside, I will recommend a sell at 2780 levels, below which you can expect 2760, 2740, 2720. Below 2720, do not think of buying silver. We are looking forward to a greater correction, which can in fact take the prices towards 2680, 2650, or in fact $26 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thus, join the free Telegram channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.